RV Life Trip Wizard is an extremely powerful tool that you can use to plan amazing trips. But did you know that Trip Wizard can also show you issues along your route? Let me show you. RV Life Trip Wizard makes it easy to plan RV safe routes. Using a basic web browser, you're able to locate over 20,000 campgrounds with real reviews and over 57,000 points of interest, including fueling stations. Save time planning your next trip with RV Life Trip Wizard by scanning the QR code on the screen or click my affiliate link in the description box of this video. Plus, save 25% off your first year subscription and lock your rate. Thank you, RV Life Trip Wizard, for sponsoring this video. After planning your trip or setting up a brand new trip, go through all the steps you need to make sure everything is correct. After planning your trip, head up to map settings and make sure show low clearances is on. Head over to hazards and you can see that there are 0 hazards in view. And as you zoom in, you start seeing the numbers change. A good rule for this is to measure the height of the tallest part of your RV or rig. Knowing low clearances is huge because if you ever happen to miss a turn, you need to know that you have another route you can get to without having an issue. Heading over to Street View, you can see the height of this clearance. I find there is nothing more important than information, so use these tools. Also remember, the RV Life platform has quite a few other tools to offer. You can get detailed campground information, learn from the pros with the RV Life Masterclass, and you can also join the community to make friends and exchange stories. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Hope you got some value out of it. And if you did, please smash that like and subscribe button. Comment down below. What tips can you share to improve all of our RV life experience? Would love to know. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. This is Chris from Chris Travels. Hope to see you on the road.